Now imagine skipping product creation altogether and getting paid just for recommending other people's products. Affiliate marketing, the silent money machine. Affiliate marketing sounds like easy money until you realize why 97% of people make less than a latte's worth each month. Most fail because they approach it backward, slapping links everywhere and expecting clicks. The real winners treat it like a silent money machine, building systems that earn while they sleep. One marketer makes $14,000 monthly reviewing camping gear he actually uses on weekend trips. Another clears $8,000 from a single post comparing budget kitchen gadgets that took 2 hours to write. The first mistake, choosing the wrong programs. Amazon's 1 to 4% commissions barely cover coffee money. Instead, focus on high-converting niches that align with customer goals. Here are the 2025 standouts. 1. Digital tools. SaaS companies pay 30 to 50% recurring commissions. Canva, SEMrush. 2. Online courses. 50 to 70% commissions on $200 plus courses. Teachable creators. 3. Financial services. $100 plus per approved credit card. NerdWallet's program. 4. Subscription boxes. $20 to $50 per sign-up with high retention. ButcherBox. 5. Luxury goods. 10 to 15% on $500 plus items. Manscaped, Bowl and Branch. Why do these niches work? Conversion rates tell the story. Credit card referrals convert at 3.8% versus Amazon's 0.2%. Software trials convert at 5.1% because businesses expense them. The key is aligning offers with real customer needs, not random products. Content format is another game changer. These 3 approaches outperform others 3 to 1 comparison reviews. X versus Y posts dominate searches because buyers want decisions made easy. One post comparing web hosting plans earns $3,000 monthly 3 years after publishing. The formula: test both products thoroughly, create comparison tables, and disclose affiliations transparently. Tutorials with tool recommendations. How to start a podcast. Articles naturally mention microphones, hosting platforms, and editing software. Tutorials convert well because readers actively seek solutions. One YouTuber earns $5,000 monthly from screen recording software recommended in editing tutorials. Tool roundups. Best niche tools for year. Remain evergreen. The secret: actually use half the tools so recommendations feel authentic. Update them quarterly to maintain search rankings. A gardening blog makes $2,100 monthly from a single updated tool post. Search algorithms reward specific patterns. To ethically optimize your content. Target best product for specific use case, long tails instead of broad terms. Publish during seasonal spikes, tax software in January, camping gear in April. Update old posts every 90 days with fresh info to maintain rankings. Interlink related content to increase page authority. Answer people also ask boxes directly in your content. Technical setup separates hobbyists from pros. These tools automate the heavy lifting. 1. Pretty links. Shortens and tracks all affiliate links from one dashboard. 2. Lasso manages thousands of links with automatic updates. 3. AWP plugin creates Amazon product tables that boost conversions. 4. Buy-sell ads converts high-traffic pages into sponsored placements. 5. Beacon tracks earnings across multiple programs automatically. To eliminate overwhelm, follow this streamlined 30-day launch plan. Week 1 *, choose one narrow niche based on existing knowledge. Not fitness, but kettlebell workouts for over 50s. Research 3 to 5 affiliate programs paying 25% plus commissions. Week 2 * publish one comparison post and one tutorial. Each should thoroughly solve a real problem while naturally incorporating affiliate links. Week 3 * share these posts in relevant communities. Not spammy links, but genuine, helpful responses to questions. Think Reddit threads, Facebook groups, and Quora spaces. Week 4 * set up email collection on posts to build a newsletter. Future promotions will convert 5x higher through emails than social media. Most beginners quit before month 3, but persistence pays off. Here's what you can expect. Month 1 * $20 to $100 from initial traffic. Month 3 * $300 to $800 as posts rank higher. Month 6 * $1,500 plus from compounding content. Year 1 asterisk $5,000 plus monthly from 30 to 50 quality posts. Long-term sustainability comes from diversification. Top earners combine 50% affiliate income, 30% display ads, Mediavine Raptive, 20% sponsored content offers. Seasonality affects all models, but diversified sites stabilize earnings. One parenting blog dropped 40% during summer school breaks until they added back-to-school affiliate offers. Now they maintain consistent income year-round through strategic content planning. Legal considerations are straightforward. Disclose affiliations clearly. We earn commissions if you purchase. Vet programs for reputability to avoid promoting scams. Never guarantee results you can't control. This will make you rich. Maintain editorial independence. Turn down programs demanding positive-only reviews. The equipment list couldn't be simpler. A domain name, $12 per year. Basic shared hosting, $5 per month. Free WordPress theme. Grammarly for proofreading. Time commitment follows the 80-20 rule. 80% goes to creating just 20% of content that drives most results. Once you identify high-converting formats, replicate them. A food blogger found budget meal prep tutorials converted best, so she made 12 variations. Now they generate 60% of her $9,000 monthly income. Social media complements, but shouldn't dominate strategy. Pinterest drives 50% of traffic for many affiliates. Twitter threads convert well for B2B offers. Instagram stories work for visually appealing products. But the money lives in evergreen search content, not fleeting social posts. Email marketing amplifies results exponentially. A simple sequence. 1. Lead magnet, free camping gear checklist. 2. Welcome email with one helpful tip. 3. 3 value emails over 2 weeks. 4. Soft product recommendation. This converts at 8 to 12% versus 1 to 2% from organic traffic alone. The key: provide actual value before pitching anything. Seasonal content represents easy wins. Publish best year's Christmas gifts for niche in August. Update tax-related content each January. Refresh summer activity guides in spring. Timely content gets temporary ranking boosts that often become permanent traffic sources. Avoid these common beginner mistakes. 1. Testing too many niches instead of dominating one. 2. Neglecting email collection from day one. 3. Prioritizing quantity over quality content. 4. Using multiple link styles that confuse readers. 5. Not tracking which content converts best. Success leaves clues. Reverse engineer top affiliates in your niche. 1. Analyze their top-performing content with Ahrefs or Ubersuggest. 2. Note their linking strategies and disclosure language. 3. Identify gaps where you can provide better detail or newer info. 4. Emulate their formats while adding unique perspectives. The psychological shift changes everything. Stop thinking like a promoter, start thinking like a librarian. Your job isn't to sell, but to organize the best solutions for specific problems. One marketer doubled conversions simply by reorganizing her review criteria to match buyer priorities rather than product specs. Scalability comes through systems. 1. Content templates for each high-converting format. 2. Editorial calendar planning seasonal updates. 3. Outsourcing research to $5 per hour virtual assistants. 4. Automated social sharing tools like Missing Letter. The final differentiator? Authenticity. Readers spot fake enthusiasm instantly. The best affiliates genuinely use half the products they recommend. One outdoors blogger includes what broke during testing sections in every review. His conversion rates are triple industry averages because of the trusted honesty. Long-term, AI creates opportunities rather than threats. Tools like ChatGPT help draft outlines, but can't replicate personal experience. The winning formula combines AI efficiency with human insights machines can't fake.